Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and to all the people that's supporting me. Thank you so much, especially to my students. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like, share, ring the bell button. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Okay, watch more. Today I'm going to discuss measuring volume and capacity specifically for liquids. So another lesson for week 1, second quarter. Let's have definition of terms. Volume is the measure of how much space an object occupies. Capacity is a volume of liquid a container can hold. Volume and capacity are related in metric system. Okay, again, so we have estimate the capacity of its object. So for here, we have the baby lotion, no? So it's that 125 cubic meters or 125 ml. So we have here 125 ml since it's liquid. What about this? 4 ounces or 4 quarts? Okay, so it is 4 quarts. What about this container? 2 gallons or 2 liters? 2 liters. Then we have paint here, 5 ounces or 5 quarts. So it could be 5 quarts. No? Then we have this solid, no? It's a cube, so it's at 4 ml or per cubic meters. It is 4 cubic meters. Next, we have 3 cups here. Of course, that is 3 cups. Then we have 6 cubic centimeter or 66 cubic meters. So this is small, no? So we can only use 6. 12 quarts or 12 ounces. Could be 12 ounces. 1 ml or 1 liter. Oh, it probably 1 liter. Okay? So let's have our discussion. For volume and capacity. Okay, so 1,000 cubic millimeters or mm cube is equals to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay? Or we can write that as 1 mm cube is equals to 1 cm cube. Okay? Be familiarized with yourself. Then we have 1 cubic centimeter or 1 cubic decimeter. Okay? So, or 1,000 to 1. Next, we have 1,000 cubic decimeters is equals to 1 cubic meter. Then, 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent also to 1 millimeter. So, in other words, 1 cm cube is equals to 1 ml. Okay? Next. Or, that's about 1,000 liter. Liit. For 1,000 ml, that's equivalent to 1 liter. And for 1 liter is equals to 1 cubic decimeter. Now remember, sa volume, now if we are going to use the metric converter that we had before, okay, so we have here, diba, kilometer, meter, and then millimeter. So we have centimeter and decimeter, no? Diba, cm, dm, dam, at saka hm. Okay? So, susundan nyo lang din siya. But in cubic, we multiply this by 3. So, this is 10, right? 10, diba, in regular sa length, diba? 10, 10, 10, 10. But this time, this is 1,000. No? 1,000, 1,000. Okay? So, because that's 3 space na. Yeah, that's why it is said here, no? For 1,000 cubic millimeters is equivalent to 1 cubic meter. Okay? So, yan. Kaya ganyan yon. And then, for 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1 cubic decimeter. Because every space here is equivalent to 1,000. Okay? So, it's equivalent to volume. Do you have idea now? Okay, next. Let's go. So, units of capacity and volume, of course, we have 1 millimeters, 2 centimeter, or cl. 10 centiliters, or cl, is equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters equals to 1 deciliters, or 1 liter. And 10 liters is equals to 1 dekaliter. 10 decaliters is equals to 1 hectoliter, and 10 hectoliters is equals to 1 kiloliter, or 1,000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. Okay. Now, paano yan nangyari? Remember, yung ating ordinary, again, no, the metric converter. Now, kapag ganyan naman gamit ninyo, di ba, yung km natin, gagawin natin siya ngayon kl. Alright, so kl and then ml. So, at the center, instead na meter, we can use their L. Okay? So, that's the baseline. And then we have CL, the centiliter, DL for deciliter, dekaliter, and HL for hectoliter. Okay? So that's why here 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. So that means everyone here is 10 again. So going to the from left to right, multiply by 10. Going to left, multiply by 10. Okay, let's discuss that in rules. Okay, so we have here the rules. Now the same here rules applies when we do that in kilogram and length. Rule. Two rules are used to change in metric units. So change from a larger unit to smaller, moving in the right in the diagram, multiply by a power of 10. So thus, move the decimal point in a given quantity one place to the right for each smaller unit until the decimal unit is reached. And to change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, moving to the left in the diagram, divide by the power of 10. So thus move the decimal point in the given quantity one place to the left for each larger unit until the decimal unit is reached. Okay? Now let's complete the following. Alright, so here, so we have 0.24 kiloliters, 2 liters. And another problem is 500 deciliters equals to how many ml? So to convert from kiloliter to liter, we start that kiloliters to move 3 steps to the right. Okay, so using the metric converter, diba, this is kiloliter. So, liter and ml or the milliliter. So, mayroon pa dyan sa gitna. Okay, so we have HL, dekaliter or dal, the DL, and the CL. Okay? So, since this is kiloliter to liter, move lang natin siya, no? 1, 2, 3. So, if we're going to do that, 0.24. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is about 240 liters. Okay, next. For letter B, 500 deciliters is equals to ml. So, we know that for 1 deciliter is equals to 100 ml. Bakit? 10 times 10 is 100. So, 500 over 1, no? Since any whole number is the denominator is 1. So, multiply natin dun sa unit, fraction unit na 100 ml is to 1 deciliter. Then, cancel this. So, 500 times 100 is equals to 50,000. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, kopyahin nyo na lang yung 4 na 0, and then 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, that's the technique if you are working with zeros. Now, in the SI, we use the letter as a measures of capacity. However, in daily life, some of us, especially in cooking, we use the English system for measuring liquids. On bottles of drinks, we often see the contents bought in liquid ounces and ml. So we have the common metric to English equivalents. For 8 ounces is equals to 1 cup. 2 cups is equals to 1 pint. 2 pints is equals to 1 quart. 4 quarts is equals to 1 gallon. Example, complete the following. So example here, we have 50 quarts equals how many gallons? And the letter B, 1.25 gallons, 2 cups. Diba? Okay, so for our solution, so 4 quarts is equals to 1 gallon. So that's our common unit fraction. So 50 quarts, okay, 50 quarts times 1 over gallon. So you can interchange that. Then cancel natin to. So 50, no? Ang nangyari dyan, 50 divided by 4, the answer is 12.5 gallons. So can use directly your calculator. For letter B, change gallon first to quarts is to 4 quarts, no? So 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So ito yung gagamitin natin kasi we need to change first gallon to quarts. So 125 gallons times 4 quarts is equals to 5 gallons. So this solution is for letter A pa lang, no? Okay? Okay, the solution is for letter B pa lang. So, cancel natin to. 125 times 4 is 4 quarts. Ay, 5 quarts, sorry. Then, change quarts to points, to pint. So, for 1 pint or 2 pint is equals to 1 quarts, diba? So, 5 quarts, which is the answer here, times 2 pint over 1 quart. So, cancel natin to. And then, 5 times 2 pint, so that's about 10, no? Next, change pint to cup. Okay? Okay, so 2 cups is equals to 1 pint. Right? Okay, so 10 pint times 2 cups over 1 pint. So cancel ulit natin to. That is about 20 cups. So therefore, 125 gallons is equals to 20 cups. And this one, 50 quarts is equals to 12.5 gallons. Okay? Dinivide mo lang yan. Next, a person breathes. Okay, so we have here, a person breathes 105 gallons of air in 1 hour. How many quarts of air does a person breathe in 1 minute? Solution. So we know that there are 60 minutes, no, in 1 hour. So a person breathes 105 over 60 or 125 quarts of air in per minute. So change 175 gallons to quarts. So use the unit fraction. This, no, for quarts is equals to 1 gallon. And then yan, no? So, cancel natin yung gallons. 1.75 times 4 is 4 quarts. So, therefore, a person breathes 7 quarts of air in a minute or in 1. Okay? Let's move on. Convert the following units, volume and capacity. Okay, here we can use the metric converter. So it is important that you memorize this, So remember in our unit of length, we have kilometer, meter, millimeter, and in between this, we have cm, dm, and then we have here dam, or the decameter, and then hectometer, no, in the HM. Okay, basta between the two, no. So remember in cubic meter, every space that's equivalent to 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, 1,000. No, that's why for 1 hectoliter, that's equivalent to 1,000 decameter. Okay, for 1 cubic, because this is cubic, no? 1 cubic kilometers is equals to 1,000 cubic hectometer. So because every space is 1,000. Alright, so from here, since our given is in centimeter, so we need to move 1, 2, 3 space. Therefore, since this is 1,000, so how many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 zeros. So move natin siya, no? So 25.97. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then dito yung ating 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because we started here, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so therefore, our answer is 0.02345672597, or that is equivalent to how much? 2.597 times 10 raised to negative 8. Ay, raised to negative 8. Because going backwards siya. Okay, next. Okay, so we have here kilometer to cubic meter. So this time we need to add. Okay, so 0.625. We need to move the decimal going to the right. Kanina kasi from left to right. This time right to left. So we need to multiply. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Because 9 zeros din ang kailangan natin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Kasi ito na ano na sila eh. So that therefore our answer is 625 million. 625 millions. Alright, next. Okay, so we have here 53 liters is equals to cubic centimeter. Now, we know that for 1 cubic, remember in the first slide, for 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 0.0 or equivalent to 1 ml. So, mas madali kasi gamitin pag ml na agad, no? Try natin. So, 1 cubic centimeter is also equivalent to 1 ml. No? Therefore, so we could say, we could use, no? Directly the ml to liter. So, we could assume that 53 liter times, since this is equivalent to 1 ml, so times how much? 0 or 0, 0, 0. Okay, so there is tama yung ginawa ko, no? 1 cubic centimeter. So remember, that's also equal to 0.001 liter. So 1,000 liter. So over natin dito sa 1,000 liter. Okay, cancel yung liter. Ano natira? Okay, so 53 cubic liter over 0.001. Alright. Okay, so burahin muna natin yung ibang space para pwede tayong mag-divide. Okay. So we will use this space as our blackboard. Alright. So 53 divided by 0.001. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, move natin to 1, 2, 3. And then dito, magdadagdag din tayo ng dalawang 0. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, tatlo din. Our answer is 53,000 divided by 1. Of course, the answer is 53,000 cubic centimeter. Okay? Alright, tama yan. Because 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1 ml. We will multiply 53 times 1,000. So that's 53,000. Okay. Next, 8.5 cubic centimeter to cubic millimeter. So, ito, times 1,000 lang natin yan. Therefore, 8.5 times 1,000 or 1,000 times 8.5. O, baba nyo lang yung tatlong 0. Then 8.5. Count nyo ilan yung decimal. Tanggalin ito. The answer is, so anong sagot dyan? 8,500. Ganun lang naman kadali yan. Basta 0 ang tinatrabaho mo. Okay, so ang sagot dito ay 8,100. Okay, what about daw here? No? So, move mo lang siya. Dito lang yun, meter to, or, di ba, decimeter to meter. Isang move lang. So, tatlo yan. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4.735. Yan yung final answer. Dali lang, di ba? So, we have here conversion of English to English system of measurement. Okay. So, yeah, madali lang yan. Because 2.1 liter times 1,000, how much that? 1,000 times 2.1. So, baba yung tatlong 0. 1, 2, 3, then 2.1. 21 yan. 21 times 1, 21. So, may isang ano dyan, ang natira ay 2,100. Okay, next. Oh, ml to liter. So, we know that 1,000 ml is equals to liter. So, move lang natin ng tatlong beses. 1, 2, 3. So, 23.450. Quarts to pint. Okay, paano yan? Okay, guys. So, you know, for number 3, we are going to convert quarts to pints. So, we know that for 2 pints, that is equal to 1 quart. Okay? So, 1 quart. So, what are we going to do here? 3.4 quarts times, so 2 pint over 1 quart. So, cancel natin to. And then, we multiply 3.4 times 2, 8, and then 6. So, we have 6.8 pint. Then, we have 700 ml 2 liters. So, paano yan? Oh, madali lang yan. Move mo lang to. 1, 2, 3. O, di 0.7 liters. Magic, diba? Gallon to cup. So, ito ngayon ang medyo komplikado. Okay, guys. To answer this, we need the 3 conversion units or the fraction units. So, we know that for 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. Okay, remember that. And then, for 2 pints equals 1 quart. Right? And then, for 2 cups, that is equivalent to 1 pint. Okay, so using 3.4 gallons, okay, so we have 3.4 times, okay, let's move on. 3.4 gallons, so times 4 quarts. over 1 gallon times 2 pints over 1 quart times 2 cups. Lalaro na yung aking eraser. Two cups over 1 pint. Okay, so kakancel natin to. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so here, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, 16. Okay. 16 times 3.4. 6 times 4 equals 24. Carry 2. See, 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 1 is 3. So 1, 4. Okay. So we have 4. 8 plus 6 equals 8 plus 6. 12. 14. And then 50. So the answer is 54. 54.4. Alright. Cups. 54. It's about 54 cups. Ay, yun. Yun ang gahaba yung pagdadaanan mo. Then, of course, 5 liters. 5 times 1,000. 5,000. Ganun lang kadali. So, you have to memorize, no? Always remember that 1 liter is equals to 1,000. Okay, so convert each no, metric system to English system or vice versa. Oh, for 1 cubic liter, so this is equivalent to 1 ml. So that's about 0.001 liters. Okay, so this is about 1 liter. Oh, so 1,000 cubic centimeters is 1,000 ml. That's 1 liter. Okay, this one 0.76 or 0.76. Yan. Okay, 3.4 liters. That's 3,400 cubic centimeter. And, you know, of course, 350 cubic centimeter is equals to 350 ml. Ganun lang po. Okay, choose the best estimate for the capacity of its container. Medicine dropper, of course, 1 ml. No? But about 1 teaspoon, 5 ml is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon is about 1 or 10 ml. 1 bottle of cooking oil, it could be 1 liter. 1 can of juice, it's 825 ml. Okay, so solve the following problems. Okay, so we have here, there are 36 cans of pineapple juice in a box. If each can contains 175 ml, how many liters of pineapple juice does the box contain? How is that? Okay, so if we're going to solve that 36 cans and each can is contained to how many liters? So, 36 multiply muna natin, no? 175 times 36. So, we have 30. 6 times 7, 42. 42 plus 1, 43. And then 6 plus 3, 9. 15. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 7, 21. Plus 1, 22. We have 5. So we have 0, 8, 11, 1. So how many liters is that? That's about 7.18. So 7.18 liters. That's the question. How many liters of pineapple juice does a box contain? It's about 7.18 liters. Get it? Next. A family uses 600 liters of water daily. How many cubic meters of water does the family use in a month? Okay, so if daily, that's every day, that means we have 30 days in a month. So 600 times 30, that's about 18, because 6 times 3 equals 18, and then add the 3 zeros. That's 18,000 liters, or about how many. The question is how many cubic meters. So that's about 18, no, m cube, or 18,000. Yeah, 18 m cube. 18 cubic centimeters. Ganyan po, kadami ang ginagamit ng pamilya na yan. So, we can try this, no? Since, guys, I will not require you to do this, but if you want an extra grade, since you need to finish, some of you did not answer, no, marami sa inyo hindi nakasagot doon sa first quarter na pwede itong in exchange, no, or extra work for the remediation. Ang gagawin dito, sasagutan lang, no? For example, reflect on the following. You shall not make false measures of length, weight, or capacity. You shall have an honest balance. So, this is from Leviticus 19, verse 35 to 36. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, you write your opinion, ano masasabi nyo dyan, no? Okay, and then you answer this question. If you know that someone close to you uses false measures, what would you do? Yan, dyan lang kayo mag-focus ng inyong gagawin. So, it could be it could be in a paragraph that's composed of 5 sentences or more. Okay? So, alright. So, for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell button for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. This is your teacher, Marife Adonis. See you again. Bye-bye.